Here's how to build website on Durable AI. Here is the complete guide about Durable AI. It's quite easy and simple to do, but make sure to watch the full video so you don't miss out on any important steps. First of all, open your Chrome browser and then type here Durable AI. After this, click on durable.com website, which is on the top of the search results. After some time, website will open and it will look like this. You may be asked you accept the cookies. Next, you can see that this is the world's fastest website builder. You can see that this is very efficient for business website. Here you can see that these are the websites that is developed here. Now, scroll up and here you can see Products button. Click on it. You can see the product of Durable, which include iWebsite Builder, CRM, Invoicing, iAssistant, iBlog Builder. You can use them easily. Now click on Resources drop-down menu. Here is also many options like blog, perks, and many more. Durable also provide bundle of tools for developers. That is, website generator, business name generator, Google Ad Writer. So this is some important things about Durable. But now click on Sign In button. So now here you can sign in with your Google account, or you can also put your email and password. But if you don't have account on Durable, then click on Sign Up button at the bottom of the pop-up menu. After some time, window will look like this. On the right upper corner of the screen you have your account. You can easily log out or switch your account. But now this time I want to create my website. So click on Create New Business button. Next pop-up will look like this. Here you may ask to share your location. But next you have to enter your business name. Here you can also write your one name. Don't worry about that. Next step is select your industry. Make sure to select the industry which truly represent your content on your website. After this, you have to select your location and language. After giving all the details, just click on Create Business button, which is on the bottom side of the pop-up. Next window will look like this. And then after some time, your website automatically started creating your website. It will create pages, paragraph, your services, gallery, map, and many more things. After completing the process, your website will be created successfully. You can scroll down to see the website. You can see there are many sections on the website. Now click on Home button. Here you can create new pages, new folder, and new blog post. But this time go back to the dashboard of the website. Next you have Devices option. There is many devices sizes available. Just click one of them to see how your website is looking. Next you have Open iAssistant. Here you can ask anything from here, like how to add social links. Now click on this arrow button. It will redirect to this pop-up, and here you can add your social media links on your website. Next you have Website Style option, where you can give style to your website. Next, from this option you can see the overview of your website, how it's look. So now the thing is how to customize this website. So first we will edit the header of the website. So new click on Edit Header button. Here you have two options of content and style. So now come to the content option. So now here you can edit your website name. So I type here Uzama YouTube. Next button is of logo. Here you can also add the logo on your website. To do that, just click on Upload a File button. Next you have three options: Unsplash, Upload, and Library. Here you can also upload your own logo from Upload button. But this time I want to choose logo from Unsplash button. So here are man logos, so I choose this one. After this you can also resize the logo easily. After doing this, click on Save button. You can also change the Call Us button, so I change it to the Contact Us button. Now you can also turn it on or off. Next you have options to add your social media links on your website. Here are three options available of Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter. You can add more social media accounts here. But this time I want to link my Twitter account on website. So I click here. Next you have to enter your Twitter account link here. So I open my Twitter profile and then copy this link and paste it here. And then simply click on Save button. And your Twitter will be linked to your website. So in this way you can add other social media links to your website. Oh, next we have a complete section to fully customize. Whenever you move the cursor on the section, new edit bar will open. Now click on Edit button at the start. So in the right side, a new pop-up will appear. Here you can fully customize your selected section. So the very first you have edit your website headline. So remove this one and then write whatever you want. So I type here, Welcome to our website. Next you can remove and add your subtext here. Next we will edit label button, that is now Get Started. But I remove it in the type here, Create Account. You can set this according to yours. And after doing this, just click on Save button. So now this section of the website is totally customized. So now move the cursor on the next section. Here you will also see an edit bar. Here you have arrow button, which is show on the upper side of the screen. When you click on this button, this section of your website will move to the upper side of the other section. You can see that it's done. So now we will customize this section. Now again click on Edit button, or you can see that this content is written here. You can remove this content here, and you can also write here whatever you want. So this way I type here, Welcome to the virtual world. Now click on Style button. Here you can customize everything what you want. But this time I am changing the color of this section. So scroll down and then come to the background section. Now click on the color and then select your color which you want to use. And then click on Save button at the right button side of the screen. You can see that we have successfully customized this section. So the next step is to edit services section. You can see here are some services that is added by the website automatically on the basis of our giving data. So to customize this section, click and edit button again. And new pop-up on the right side of the screen will appear. So the first is headline. So I will remove it, and after this I write here, our powerful services. After this you have many options like image, icon, headings, content, and many more. You can set these according to yours. So at the bottom side you have your listed items that represents your services. You can change and remove these services easily from here. So let's suppose I want to change this one, so click on this button. And after this new pop-up will appear and it will look like this. So the very first you can replace this photo to your required photo. So click on this button and then next select your image. Here you can also upload your one image from Upload button. But this time I am choosing Photo from Shutterstock menu. So I click on this one. And you can see it is added in our pop-up. Now you can also change your image position from vertical to horizontal. Next I change the title from Social Media Marketing to Web Development. Now you can also add your content according to your title or services. Next you can also edit many other things from here. Next scroll down. Here you can see next section of the website. You can edit it according to yours. You can type here according to your website location, services, time, and others things. You can also upload the image according to your choice. And now we have our clients section. So we will edit this one also, so click on edit button. And again on the right side of the screen pop-up will appear. So first we will edit our headline here. So I remove our client's headline from here. And then I type here our previous work with clients. You can also customize the picture section from here. Now scroll down and you can also edit your location on the website from here. Location will tell the people from where you are. Now at the end this is contact page. You can also edit this page easily. You just have to click on edit button and then you can change the settings according to yours. So next and last step is how you can add new section in your website. So to do that you just have to click on add section button. And then next pop-up will look like this. Here you have some options like banner, text and image, testimonials, gallery, and many more. So choose one of them. So choose banner. So now you can see that banner section is created. You can easily edit this like previous sections. Now you have to click on devices button and here you will find many devices sizes. But I will select phone size because I want to see how my website look on the screen. You can see this is website look in the phone. But if your website is not looking good or not compatible with phone's layout, then you can change it before publishing. So in this way you can use Durable AI to build your complete attractive website.